Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with one of the most popular and newest toys on the market. This is the Gel Bead Blaster. Now, we've tried several different models and brands, and we found that this one gives you the most bang for your buck. Now, one of the reasons this is so popular is because it gives you that real airsoft action in a safe new way. This is something that parents love. The secret are these water gel beads, which when hydrated are non-toxic, non-staining, and best of all, do not hurt on impact. Now to hydrate these, for every 1 tablespoon of beads, you're gonna wanna add just about 1.5 cups of water. Now keep in mind, a tablespoon will be just enough to fill the hopper. Now my favorite thing about this is the realistic design and slide action. The battery is even encased in an accurate magazine clip. Now we had so much fun with this around the office, but I do want to give you a tip. If you're planning for a full day's worth of fun, you're gonna want to make sure you have enough of these beads hydrated. Now it does come with 1 pack, but if that's not enough, we do sell extras on the site. Now in addition to a bag of gel beads, you'll also get a rechargeable battery clip, the gel blaster itself, a removable stock, the gel bead hopper, and a pair of safety glasses. Now the manufacturer recommends that this is for kids 14 and up, so parents, use your discretion for if you're gonna buy this for younger kids. While you could have loads of fun with just one of these, it's even way more fun if you buy a couple for your friends and family. And because of a small misprint on the side of the gel blaster, you're getting these at a rock bottom price. And remember, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab a few of these today.